How to change Discord password if you forgot it. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to change your Discord password if you forgot it. This should be a quick video since it is easy, so if it helps, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. In Discord, go to the settings here. You will see here that you can change your password. But the problem is, you forgot your current password. So the other way to change that is to log out your account, then enter your email here, click here on forgot password, and now it will send an email to your email address. So in here, we can see the sent email. Let's open that and click here. This will open Discord on your browser and it will ask for a new password. Once you have decided which to put, just click on this button and you have changed your forgotten password. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you. Once again, leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.